Hello, you're welcome to another episode of Foodie Friday. My name is Keely J. Brewer and you're watching MX24. Foodie Friday is that one place that foodies come to converge, just where we live, thrive, have fun, and dwell. And today, an OG is in the kitchen with me. This lady is the one behind a lot of people's date nights in Accra. When the diaspora folks are coming, they check her page to find out all the hot spots, the best restaurants, and everything in between. Her name is Bernie, and her Instagram handle is @dine with Bernie. You're welcome to the studio.
Thank you.
It's good to have you.
Yeah, good to see you.
Oh my gosh, do you know how many dates you've planned?
I
in Accra?
I don't know. I can only imagine. I mean, you get some people coming back to say, "Oh, I saw this place on your spot and I went to try it out," but then you never know. But yeah, I guess
honestly, you are the love doctor of Accra, if you ask me.
How?
You are the love
Because
doctor.
I plan where to go.
Yes, you have the A to Z food dates on there, so people can look at that and get creative. And then the spot recommendations, the food recommendations, and you're very honest in your reviews.
Yeah,
if it's a 7.5, you say it's a 7.5 without spoiling the business.
Yeah.
If it's good to you, say it's a 10. So thank you for making sure we have quality dates in Accra.
You're welcome.
Hail her, hail her. Clap for her, clap for her. Film the Benny, film the Benny.
Anyway,
So yes, I'm excited that you're here.
I'm happy to be here too.
I see some ingredients over here. I see noodles, eggs, some vegetable accoutrements, seasoning, and that's deep fried beef and plantain.
Yes.
So what are we making, madam?
We're making beef noodles.
Okay.
Yeah. So you know, most of the time I go out to eat.
Yes.
So some days you'd be like, oh, there's food at home. So when it is my food at home situation, this is like my comfort food, something that I usually like to make. So just noodles with beef noodles.
Nice to know, nice to know. So before we jump into that, I want you to know that you need to go out there and get yourself a Secotech blender. Secotech power blenders are the best blenders on the market. Don't let anyone tell you any different. It can blend anything from tomatoes to titanium. Trust me, Secotech has you covered, and you can go ahead and grab one of their blenders for your home, your smoothie bars, your kitchen, wherever you want to put it. Just go and buy the blender and keep it in your house. You can find them at East Legon Boundary Road, near the new roundabout. Call them on 0244-561-052. That's 0244-561-052. Secotech Power, Precision, Perfection. They have everything you need. So let's jump right into today's shenanigans. I see your water is already boiling.
Boiling.
Okay.
Yeah. So first thing we are going to do is boil our noodles.
Okay.
So I'm just going to
throw our noodles in.
Yes.
All right. So we're using regular noodles, regular ramen noodles.
Ramen noodles.
Or egg noodles.
No, regular noodles.
Regular noodles.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. So we're leaving that to boil.
Yep.
You are a food influencer, a food blogger, to be more specific.
Yes.
How did you get into that space?
Okay, so I like going out. We go out together a lot as a family. So maybe Sundays after church, we'll go out, stop by somewhere, eat, and then I also like take pictures.
Yeah.
So I just post on my Instagram, my personal Instagram page, and then people be like, "Oh, that's a nice place. Where is this? Where is that?" And I was like, "Oh." So I could actually reach more people, and instead of everyone just coming to ask me where is this place, it's fine to just create another profile for that. So I created Dine with Benny, strictly for locations and stuff like that.
And you are the location manager indeed, because you have all the locations on lock.
I'm trying.
How do you actually secure some of these gigs? Is it that you go and you film and you hope that they'll call you back and pay you, or do you get invited to come and do their job?
Okay, so it's both of that. So firstly, sometimes you're just like in town and then you see a new place, like, because I like trying new stuff, I'll go on my own. That's one side. And then other times, because they've seen your videos, they call you that, "Oh, we're opening like a new spot. Can you come check it out for us?" Stuff like that. And sometimes they pay you, other times they don't. Yeah.
Honestly, getting paid to eat food is amazing.
I know.
That's what we do back here. But I can't imagine. You're just sitting at home and then a nice bougie restaurant that people are saving all their office coins to go to. They will just call you and be like, "Hello, Bernie."
Yeah, that's how it is. But then at the end of the day, I think it's been like a lot of investment, because like restaurants in Accra are really expensive. So for me to be able to like gather so many like followers and all that for a restaurant to reach out to me. I feel like it's just my investment finally paying off. So yeah, when they call me like that, I'm excited. Like, yay, I'm doing something right.
It's a big accomplishment. But with you being able to start your food blogging journey, obviously, like you just said, you made investments. How are you funding those restaurant trips?
So it's usually with my family. So when we go out together, I like to go with my sisters a lot. So when we go out together, I just take a picture of everybody's food. So at the end of the day, it's not like I'm paying for everything. But yeah, and sometimes I along the line, I created some creator friends. So we just go together and then create content together. So at the end of the day, it's like we're being strategic about fans.
Sweet. You get to at least split the cost.
Yeah.
That's nice. I've seen your videos with the girlies.
Yeah.
They're amazing.
Thank you.
I remember this one video, you guys went for brunch.
Yeah.
And you had like the full spread.
Yeah.
And it made me hungry at 3 a.m.
That's the goal, to make you
that's the goal.
to make you hungry. Yeah, that's the goal.
But yes, let's get right into cooking this. Your noodles are almost ready.
Yeah, so when it's almost ready like this, I like to add my pepper.
Okay.
So that I don't struggle when I'm stir frying it.
Okay, nice.
I'm just adding a little bit of...
A little bit. The little bit is plenty. Some people
Do you
will
like
cry
spicy
today.
food?
I love spicy
Yeah,
food.
I do too.
I
The
love
kind of
spicy
noodles that makes you...
Yeah, you need to sniffle a little
Yeah.
bit. If you're not fighting with your food, then you're not enjoying it.
Yeah.
All right, so we'll cover that.
Cook a little bit more. Not too
Nice.
soft though.
Nice. So you're going out with your family. You realized that you had a passion for just posting the content. But when did you actually develop a passion for food itself?
Like, since I was little.
Yeah.
Do you not like food? Because I really do.
I can't admit that on camera because what composure.
not like to eat to the extent of not gluttony.
Like, we love food. That's
Yeah.
why. That's why I'm hosting Foodie Friday. We love food over here.
Yeah, so I think liking food is something that like since I was little, I'm not one of those kids that you have to force to eat. I'll gladly eat, and if I like it, I'll keep eating. If I don't, I
Just leave it alone.
yeah, just leave it alone.
Nice one. So with your whole journey of food blogging, what cuisines have you explored in Accra so far?
Funny thing, I have actually been doing this series called Eating Around the World in Accra,
Okay.
where I've eaten from 7 different countries so far.
Give us the breakdown. Each of them one by one.
Yeah, so I started with Korean food, and oh my God, can I mention the name of the spot? Let's leave it hanging.
No, it's okay. We'll mention it.
We'll
give
mention
them a
it.
shout out just for today.
It's called
Free promo.
Ninano.
I love Ninano.
You love it. And
I
the
love
owner is
Ninano.
this cool, very kind and sweet Korean man. And he's an old man. And when you go, you ask him questions. He would even tell you how this one is made,
Yep.
what's in it. It was a lovely experience. So aside the food being very delicious, him telling me about the food, him taking time to explain to me and everything was just a plus. Like it was my first, and then it just made me want to know more about other cultures. So first one was Ninano, and they have really good sushi.
Yeah, they have really good sushi.
Yeah.
They have really good kimbap.
I was about to mention
And then the toboki as
yeah,
well is really good.
I actually had those 3 things.
yeah.
Yeah.
That's my go-to. And then the bulgogi bowls,
Yeah.
and the japchae and stuff. Yeah.
But the kimbap,
The kimbap is
I really like that.
excellent.
Yeah. Then after that, I went to Yofin for Japanese food,
Fried
and then I
chicken.
tried Japanese fried chicken.
chicken.
It's
The
called
karage.
karage. Yeah, we have so much in common. Yeah, foodie, girl. Yes. So yeah, we had some karage from that place as well, and then I also went for Jamaican food.
Ooh.
I went to Jamrock.
Jamrock for like
For-
the oxtail and the rice and peas.
I had
and
oxtail, I had rice and peas, and I had something called kalalu.
Kalalu, yeah.
That was like my favorite. You won't see me eating vegetables like easily, but I really enjoyed the kalalu
Oh
on
yeah,
that
yeah,
day.
yeah. Kalalu is amazing.
Yeah, and then where else? I've been to La Borracha for
For the
Mexican,
Mexican
food.
What did you have?
I had some tacos, some fish tacos, and oh my
Sweet.
God, the fish was buttered, very delicious. And when you look at the plate, it's very vibrant. Like there are so many different
So many
colors.
things, the
red,
salsa
yeah.
and the guacamole and all
And
of
the
that.
guacamole. So I had some nacho bowl as well. It was just
Amazing.
a lot amazing. Yeah,
Ah.
yeah. I also tried Italian food at Pomona. That's more like fine dining. So I had some pasta. I had some pizza. Oh, I'm really
Look at you blushing. You're blushing at the thought of the food. Oh
yeah,
my god.
it was very good. So I think we have to see
Yes,
this
yes,
now.
yes. Let me help you straighten that. So yeah, with Italian food, what's your go-to?
Pasta.
Pasta.
Really?
What kind of pasta?
So there's this one on the menu. I don't know why I have the name of it, but it's called a pasta al aragosta, and it's usually like lobsters
Yes.
cut open with the pasta on. It's really good.
Yeah, I feel you.
Yeah. Whenever I go there, that's what I like to order. I mean, the pizza is good too, but sometimes
I think
like
the best
pasta.
thing to ever have is pasta made from scratch, like fresh.
Have you ever had that?
I have.
Where?
It wasn't in Ghana. It was somewhere in Florida. It was a trattoria.
Oh, okay.
And it was amazing.
Amazing.
Imagine people making handmade pasta and then it goes right into the hot water. You get to enjoy the freshness of that pasta. It's just out of this world.
That sounds
Words
so
cannot
cool.
even describe.
Yeah, I can imagine.
Oh man,
Yeah,
that's
that's
truly a foodie.
that's something I should put on my foodie bucket
You
list.
should,
Yeah.
you should. Some recommendations I would say you should try. You should try some Ethiopian food.
Someone actually mentioned, where can I get Ethiopian food?
I'll tell you off camera.
That's fine.
There's only one place in Ghana where you can actually get Ethiopian
Like
food.
correct Ethiopian food.
There's only one Ethiopian restaurant I know
Really?
of in Ghana, actually.
Okay.
It's in Laboni.
Okay.
It's in Laboni, and it's my favorite place.
Okay. Yeah, so you
Affordable
give me-
prices, amazing food, and they have this honey wine. It's called Tej.
Okay.
So the honey wine is really nice. It's just slightly alcoholic. I think probably 2 to 5%, and it's an amazing accompaniment with the food.
Okay, I'll check it out.
Yes.
No, Ethiopian. That's my
Ethiopian
next stop.
food, yes.
My next stop is Ethiopia.
Call me, I'll go with you.
Yeah,
So what's next? What are we doing?
yeah,
next?
so now we heat the pan a little bit, pour in some
Okay.
oil because it's time to stir fry. So I will start with my eggs.
Okay.
I need to scramble these eggs.
All right. So you have your oil over here.
Yes. So just
Let me help you with
little,
that.
thank you.
Start enough. Say when.
Yeah,
say
that's
when.
okay, that's
okay.
okay.
Perfect. Put that away for you.
Yep. Okay. Can I get a spoon to scramble this?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Okay, so eggs are being scrambled. We're about to throw that into the pot. The noodles are ready. Come on, man. Look at these noodles. Peppered noodles. Cooked to perfection.
So, can I put that?
Yes.
It's not so hot, but that's okay.
Yeah, so eggs are going in. And we'll just let that cook nicely.
Yep.
Huh. So with discovering new cuisines, what is something you say you've learned? Because some people are very sensitive to trying new things and they're afraid. But what has trying new stuff taught you?
I think it's to be patient and learn that what we know currently as our taste buds is not what everybody is known to. So you need to like be open. Don't just try something and be like, ew. Like relax, be open, eat it, and then understand why it tastes the way. You need to know like what's inside. So when you know, okay, there are lots of greens, then okay, then that's why it tastes so earthy. That's why it tastes so sweet. So you need to relax. I always say just take your time and then accept whatever it is other people are offering you. Yeah. So that's one thing I've learned. Our food is very different. I mean, the ingredients may be similar, but because of the spices and other things that people will add, it's always not the same. So just be open to trying new things. And you never know, you may just like it. Yeah.
What's the craziest thing you've tried that before you tried it, you cringed a little bit and you're like, "Ugh, sushi?
Yeah.
My favorite
Why am I
actually.
eating raw fish?
Because it's delicious and it's healthy
I
and
didn't
it's
know.
good for you.
I just you know, I didn't get why I should be having
Raw fish.
raw fish.
So what was your first sushi experience like?
I was like, ew.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What fish was it? Was it salmon?
Yeah,
tuna?
it was salmon.
Yeah.
It was salmon. So I was like, okay, maybe this is not for me. Let me try something else. So then there was one, and I tried another made with pineapple.
Okay.
And I was like, okay, we're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. And then I had another one with avocado.
Yes. So that was probably a California roll.
Yeah. I was like, okay, yeah, this is my go-to. So I still don't like the fish. I mean, yeah, I still don't like the fish, but I'll have the one with
You
avocado.
just try regardless. Honestly, that's super brave on your end because some people will just not bother in the first place.
Oh, I think I just enjoy it because like every day when I'm at home, my mom is not making sushi.
True.
So when I go out, I'm like, this is my chance to try sushi because if I eat banku at home and eat banku outside again,
There's no
what's my
difference.
problem? Yeah.
What really is the
Yeah.
essence?
So I'm going to fry
Okay.
my vegetables
Veggies.
now. So
Okay, so we
I
have
like
some onions.
Yes, I like to go with the onions first.
All right. Then what goes in next?
The bell peppers.
Bell peppers.
I like my carrots a bit crunchy, so it's usually the last thing that I put in so that it doesn't lose.
No, I'm with you because why would you eat soft carrots?
Yeah, right. Thank
Yeah.
you. I think we agree on so many
Yeah,
things.
why would you eat soft carrots?
Yeah.
Okay. The pot already looks extremely vibrant. Cameraman, do your work. Zoom in. Let us see this beauty. Magnificent. Love to see it.
Okay.
All right.
So fry that a little bit.
So we're going to leave that to saute just a teensy bit before everything else goes in, I guess.
Yeah.
Also, I'm curious. I'm seeing plantain and I know we're cooking noodles. What's the twist?
See, anybody who is a plantain lover knows that plantain goes with everything. So when I'm eating when I'm eating noodles, plantain, rice and stew, plantain.
So in this case, are we mixing the plantain in the noodles or is it on the
It's
side?
a side.
It's on the side.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
a side. So
Okay.
you have a little bit of
everything.
Yeah.
Okay, okay,
So
okay.
I like to put in my
fried beef.
Yes, my fried beef
Okay.
next.
So for you, what's the best part of food blogging? What's your favorite part about it?
I think getting to try new food,
Yeah.
getting to know the owners. People's stories are just like beautiful. So you see someone starting a restaurant and then you get closer to them, you get to know that, oh, this was actually like what they've always wanted to do, or this was like an escape plan for them. Just getting to know people's stories and trying the food.
Yeah.
That's the best part for me.
What's the most touching story you've heard from a business owner?
I think usually it's someone who had to like stop the 9 to 5, and you know you're stopping your 9 to 5 and you're scared that is this going to work, and then you try something and then people actually like it.
Speaking of which, do you have a 9 to 5?
I used to.
Used to.
Yeah. So I used to have a 9 to 5. I worked at a fintech startup, but I'm no longer there anymore. I'm gonna put the spices in.
So seasoning's going in.
Yes.
But are you so you're doing this full time?
No, it's still part-time. I'm getting to that. So while I was at my 9 to 5, I actually started my own business.
Okay.
And so I'm into prints. We make t-shirts, tote bags, custom orders, glass mugs, bottles. Yeah.
All that good stuff.
All that good stuff. So it's called my mood board.
Okay.
Basically, your mood, how you're feeling goes on the board. So the board is the shirts, the bag, the cup, and all that. So my mood board. So that's what I do aside food blogging.
Oh,
so,
nice.
Yep.
Hey,
It's too.
women in business, the CEOs. We love to see
We are
it.
trying. So my carrot's going now.
Okay, carrots are going in. This already smells amazing, honestly.
Yeah, thank you.
Smells
I don't just
amazing.
eat. Sometimes I cook too.
Yeah, as you should. Because a lot of people might just assume that because you're a food blogger, you're always eating outside. Like, oh, this girl, she
No,
doesn't
but
cook.
sometimes, you know, the money is not always there. So.
Hey, what do you do in those seasons when the money isn't there but the content needs to go out?
Well, this is it. No,
you
but the
cook at home.
content needs to go out. I find ways around it. Like I said, I partner with my friends a lot. So there's this group of friends that I have. We just go together and then post. But funny thing is, sometimes you go out and then you don't post all the content. So if you feel like you don't have new content, I promise you, just go through your camera. You will definitely find something. There are so many ways you can work around it.
But don't you feel guilty when you post something before and then you recycle it just a teensy bit?
No, I don't.
Okay. So it's
Do
me
you-
that has
do
shame.
you-
It's me that has
I
shame.
don't think there should be shame in that, because at the end of the day, I'm not giving you the same thing again.
Yeah.
So for example, my eating around the world food thing, I would post them individually, but recently I didn't have content, so I just made a compilation. It's actually not doing, it's actually doing okay.
You know what, you're right. You're
Yeah.
right about that.
I didn't-
So what's going in now?
The Gino curry.
Gino curry powder,
Yep.
ultimate OG spice.
Yeah.
Go out and get some. You need it in your kitchen and you need it in your life. Don't miss out on your Gino products. And while she's using the Gino curry powder, I'll use this chance to tell you about the Gino tomato mix. Rich in nutrients, antioxidants, vitamins, fibers, everything you need to have a balanced meal is right in the Gino tomato mix. And they have wide varieties ranging from the OG tomato mix to the jollof mix to the pepper and onion. Go out there, grab some for your kitchen and make your meals memorable. Gino truly cares. All right, so
Yes,
curry's
sir.
going in. This
Yeah.
smells amazing.
Thank you.
Boys are shaking at the back.
So now my noodles go in.
Okay, so let me help you
Thank
just
you.
dump that in.
Yeah.
There we go. Ooh,
Yeah, let me do it.
I'll have to prong the rest of that out.
Okay.
All right.
So the last thing I'm going to add is the seasoning oil.
All right. From the spice
From this,
packet.
yes.
Yes.
And then I give that a mix.
So being a food blogger, how sustainable would you say it is now? Because you guys have risen up over the last 5 years. I could say after COVID, people really started getting into their bag.
Yeah.
Before COVID, I think the most prominent food blogger in Ghana was Zubaida.
Yeah.
Zubaida Abdelrahman. Shouts to you,
Shout
sis.
out
I love
Zubaida.
you. I love Zubaida.
Yeah, I love Zubaida too.
Yeah. So she started it. She crawled so everyone else could walk.
Yeah.
Now people are doing it.
And we are grateful for that.
Right? But now, do you think the space is saturated, or how are you guys
I think there are so many food bloggers. So one thing that I love is people are like finding their niche. So it's like I've realized when you're looking for street food, you know who to go to.
Yeah.
When you're looking for cocktails, you know who to go to. When you're looking for fine dining, you know. So I feel like at the end of the day, even though there are so many food bloggers, everyone is like finding their niche. So it's not so difficult for you to find who you're looking for.
Right. But it's nice how you guys have spread the business across.
Yeah, we're trying. We're trying.
The sky is big enough for everyone
For
to
everyone,
soar.
actually.
Definitely it is. Okay, so our noodles are looking almost ready.
Yeah, actually. How does this look?
Honestly, it looks amazing.
How much would you pay for this though?
How much would I pay?
Yeah.
In Ghana, everything assorted is 100 cedis and above.
Thank you. So this
Yeah.
is going for like 150 cedis a pack.
Oh, let's do like 110.
Oh no.
Let's do 110. There's no corned beef inside.
What do you mean there's beef?
Yeah, but
Do you know what I put in this
yes,
beef?
but the beef of the corned variety is different.
120. Deal. I'll give you a pack, a beautiful pack.
110. But honestly, yeah, 120 because bell peppers are expensive, and you use the bougie ones.
The bougie ones, the red and the yellow.
The red and the
Everybody
yellow. The
knows.
green is cheap, but
because
the
we
red
like
and the yellow is
bougie stuff.
expensive.
Yeah,
I
and it
agree
makes
with
it
you.
vibrant and beautiful. So.
It does.
Yeah.
Can
Do you want
I
to
go
give?
into your pot and just do like a quick taste test
Please
before we plate up?
try and let me know what
Okay.
you think. Is it good?
Anything you quote for your bride price, honestly, is passable.
Have you heard, guys? Have you heard?
I love it.
Yeah, I'm
Do you
glad.
know what's crazy?
did. No.
Your seasoning, because you use curry in it, it tastes like Singaporean noodles.
See, right now I'm international. International. Yeah.
Oh, this is great.
Thank you. So,
This is amazing.
Yep.
All right, Benny. Our noodles are ready. We're about to plate up. Let's go for a quick break. When we're back, we'll do our taste test. Accra, stick with us. We'll be right back. We're back. I'm here with Bernie. Dine with Benny on Instagram is a handle. You're also on TikTok, am I not mistaken?
Yes, same Dine with Benny.
Yes, and the noodles are ready. Hello, come on in. Hello. Can you see? Can you see the amazement, the beauty, the aura, the everything? You know, I'll give you the singular honor of dishing this out.
dishing.
I'm just gonna stand aside like an assistant. The colors in there are super vibrant. In case you're just tuning in, Benny made some beef noodles. It's gonna come with a side of plantain. There are lots of veggies in there, so it's healthy for you. Balanced diet using Gino curry powder. The only curry powder on the market that you should buy. Everything else is just, I don't know, coloring powder. This one is the original curry powder. Don't go and buy anything else. Buy only Gino, okay? And off the camera, for a little Ghanaian touch, we fried an egg to go above the noodles.
Yep.
So food is ready. Let's show that to the camera real quick.
These are the plantain. Yeah.
Yes. So here you go. Here you go.
Oh, thank you. Sorry, I'm left.
It's okay.
Handed. Is that enough?
Yeah.
Okay.
So let's show that to the camera. Right. Hey guys, our food is ready.
I did that.
You did that.
Yeah.
You did that, girl. Let me just taste small.
Okay, yeah, go ahead and
small.
Go ahead. I'm taking the 120 cedis, so go
The
ahead.
120 cedis, yes. I just want a little bit of everything. Let's get some beef in there and some carrots and onions and all of that good stuff.
If anything goes wrong, I can sell noodles.
I don't think I ever go wrong in this kitchen.
Okay, yeah. So that's my noodles, my beef noodles.
Please, your acceptance speech.
What's that supposed to mean? You tell us. How do you think about, what do you feel about these noodles?
I'm happy, I'm grateful, and I'm fulfilled. I'm happy because I never expected it.
You never expected.
But here we are. These noodles, for me, like I'm down the line for them.
100.
Honestly, this is amazing.
Thank
This
you.
is amazing.
Thank you.
And it's just beautiful to know that you're not just going to restaurants and giving blind reviews. You actually have amazing taste.
Thank you.
Amazing taste. And you can cook.
Thank you.
So you know what's up. Like if she ever says anything, she knows what she's talking about. I can't wait for these comments to go up so we can
So that
do
you
this
get, I
thing.
know, right?
We get
I'm
to
waiting.
ourselves.
I'm just waiting.
Get to ourselves.
Yeah.
But yes, thank you so much for
Thank you
joining
so
me.
much for having me.
It's been amazing having you here.
Thank you.
Honestly, I'm stunned.
What were you thinking?
I wasn't thinking anything, but I'm just stunned.
Okay.
And now I trust her reviews even more.
Yeah.
So with that being said, go ahead and follow Dine with Bernie on Instagram and TikTok and everywhere else you can find her.
Thank you.
And interact with the content. Support the ladies who are forcing their way through the gate and making sure that they're doing amazing things with their careers. So congrats to you in advance. I know you're going to do amazing things.
Amen.
Looking forward to more of that. And until next week, stay safe, stay blessed, Accra. Love you guys. KJB out. Mwah.